Hi, student. Good day. So we are now chapter 10, effective leadership. This is the main chapter for your strategic business leader. So now you are becoming leader. How to become a leader? We will discuss now. This is important techniques and tips for leadership. So you should start adopting these leadership skill in yourself, and you will find effective role and effectiveness in your leadership skill. Upon completion of this chapter, the role of effective leadership, identify the key leadership traits effective for successful formulation and implementation of strategy and change management. This is a very much important how this leadership role will apply in the successfulness of the business. Apply concept of entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. We will discuss entrepreneurship is start with the own self, with the single owner of the company. Entrepreneurship is deals with the wider perspective of the entrepreneurship. Like entrepreneurship, it deals with like employees, staffs. They also contribute in the development of the company. So they are also a contributor for the success of the company. We discuss the importance of leadership and defining and managing organization culture, advise style of leadership appropriate to manage strategic change. How all these things are explained over here. Effective leadership, how it's done. So it's enter and entrepreneurship, like a nature of leadership, leadership and management, leadership and culture. This is also a brief chapter, but interesting one. We'll discuss interpersonal means between person. This is a leader has more than one person group to lead. So influence is a power of effect to affect others. So this is his personal influence on other people. The goal is the end one strives to attain. So this is to achieve their objectives. So how to achieve the goal, how to be a successful in your business. So leadership can be viewed in three standpoints. So an attitude or a position, like a managing director, the characteristics of a person, a natural leader, or the category of a behavior, how this leadership run in the business activities. We'll discuss now. As a function of leadership involved, these are the reading parts. So just to read this all definition point of view. What makes an effective leader? Trait theories. What are the trait theories? Physical traits such as the drive, energy, appearance, and height. Personality traits such as adaptability, enthusiasm, and the social traits such as the cooperation, tactfully, and administrative abilities. So these are the trait theories. Many great leaders were considered to have above average intelligence, initiative and motivation, self assurance, and other essential qualities are also within the leaders. The behavior style theories. So this is also the research at Astridge Management College distinguished four main management styles. This is you consider yourself which style falls under you. Tells the autocratic. The manager make the decision and issue instruction which are to be act are beyond without the question. Sells is a pervasive. So the manager still makes all decision, but believes that team member must be motivated to accept them in order to carry them out properly. And then consult participative style. The participative style of management is a manager confers with the team and takes their views into account, although still retain the final say or final decision is within them. A join is democratic. The leader and the team members make the decision together on the basis of consensus. So they make a joint decision. So consider, think yourself, which one is you? Tell, sells, consults, and join. So Astrid discovered these most people preferred operating under the consult style, although the most important things was the consistency. Staff dislike it, and when manager change between different styles. Even strategy, unfortunately, for example, so these all traits you just go through. So these are also attested in your exam. So these Astrid style or Levin style, so these are also a part of your exam. So you have to aware about these strategies. Contingency and contextual theories. So what are these theories? So this is one example of the adult action center leadership approach. He argued that the leader need to be adapt and free competing needs. Group of communication, team building, motivation, discipline needs to individual coaching, consulting, and motivating. And task need setting objective, plan task, and allocating responsibility. Such balancing act relevant to the CEO and the boardroom as it is supervised. The theory of mixture you have just go through. Now this is the leadership and management. This is also a reading part. Just go through. These are the just explanation and detailed discussion. So what are the skills of a leader required? Basic aim of leader is to succeed in competing in task, and then understanding of the precise requirement needing of the group, ability to make decision. This is a leader quality, understanding the human nature, appreciate the attitude of the group, confidence both in group and themselves. So this is a leadership qualities. You should start adopting these abilities, qualities if you are missing with any. Ability to lead, possession, good communication skill, ability to think strategically. So these are the leadership skill. The leader need to use this skill to satisfy ADRIFT's three principles: satisfy the task, satisfy the group, and satisfy the individual needs. Just go through. Leadership and culture. So this is when it's proposed that there are two types of leaders, transactional and transformational. The transactional leaders to see relationship with their followers in terms of trade, they give followers and the rewards they want to in exchange of services. Transformational leaders are see their role inspiring and motivating others towards lead beyond where compliance. Only transformational leader is said to be able to change team organizational culture and move them in a new direction. Now again, entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. So they discuss about the major brands such as Sony, PlayStation, and post-it in note where they developed in a culture of entrepreneurship. Even the idea of the like button in the Facebook, it was from the junior member of the staff, but it is an example of entrepreneurship. Growth happened with the participation of their employees also. Ways to encourage entrepreneurship include the following: set a culture where employees are encouraged to explore new ideas for the development of the company. Managers should have open door policies, make it easy for their staff to come and discuss the issues. Removing administrative barriers and the bureaucracy so that new ideas can be presented. So develop a culture where innovation is valued and failure is not the final word. So budget for resources to develop new ideas. Entrepreneurs should not expected to finance development themselves. Give employees a degree of ownership for new ideas. For example, allowing them to present the concept of senior management. Try to identify entrepreneurship and give them more time to resource and develop ideas further. So student, this type of brainstorming session will also be a part of our discussion in our revisions. So do join revision classes. It will increase your chances of success. We will do all revision kit practice questions, and we will have a cross discussion, normal day-to-day industry examples. We will have a complete and clear understanding, and I assure you full success and full pass marks in this paper in first attempt. So finalize your joining, and if you are one-to-one session, if you want, do join me. Directly message me, and I will give you a confirm you our appointments. Again, this is summary of the chapter which we already have discussed. Thank you, and see you in next chapter.